Welcome back everyone. In this video I'm going to show you recover deleted videos on your Android phone. You can follow this 2026 guide easily recover them. Let's get started. First, open the default gallery app on your phone. For example, I am delete this video instantly my phone, and don't worry, I am usually recover it. To do that, simply tap on the menu button bottom right corner, go to trash. Here you can see all of the deleted videos and photos listed there. Find the video if you want to recover, simply tap on hold it. After the video is selected, tap on the restore button at the very bottom and you have successfully restored them. Now back to the main gallery page and see the pop-up video is available there. That is how you can easily recover this. Please note this method works only 30 days before it is permanently deleted forever. So don't be recover it again. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribing to my channel.